Let's go, bright kids! Shine and explore, learning together, discovering.
I explore new lands, I lead the way. Adventure and courage every day.
I solve the patterns, quick and smart. Math is magic, it's an art.
I decode the words, I read the signs, finding the meaning between the lines.
I test and try, I mix and see. Science brings discovery.
With color and dreams, I help us see. Creativity sets ideas free.
Bright Kids Planet, strong and bright. Learning, growing, shining light.
Something feels different. The colors aren't as bright.
The patterns are slowing down. The energy is fading.
Curiosity. When a word feels big, we break it into smaller parts.
Curiosity.
Breaking big words makes them easier.
Every third tile changes.
Energy needs input.
We need to align the world zones.
Regions connect through climate and land.
Creativity brings it to life.
Words unlock ideas.
Exploring connects us.
Patterns help us understand.
Creativity brings it to life.
Thinking keeps the world bright.
Learn and grow at Bright Kids Planet. Shine your light where the future is bright.